This week, you're going to be learning how to share data among the different Office applications. So you're going to be learning how to import text files, import a database table into Excel, how to insert a graphic file into an Excel worksheet, and you're going to be learning how to embed a workbook into Microsoft Word. And when you embed something, there is no link to the original file. So if you embed workbook data, you can actually change the data in Microsoft Word and it has no impact on the original Excel file. In addition to learning how to embed, you are going to learn how to link. And when you link a workbook into Microsoft Word, there is a direct physical connection. So any change you make to the original Excel file will be picked up by Word. And usually you see a prompt at the beginning when you open a file that says the linked file has been changed. And you can say, yes, bring in the new data, and it will update that Excel data that you have in Microsoft Word. So when you embed, there is no connection between the files, but when you link, there is. You will also be learning how to link a chart into a PowerPoint slide. Linking and embedding pretty much work the same when you do them in Word and you do them in PowerPoint. Finally, you're going to learn how to import a table, Excel table, into Access. So in order to complete this, you are going to need all the Office applications. And you can download them from the very top where it says Start Here. You can get your free copy of all of Office. And if all you're going to do is the training and the testing, because these are spun up in virtual environments, you probably aren't going to have all of the Office applications. But if you do the extra credit project, because you have to download files, you do need all of Office to do that. And since all of Office is free, I would highly recommend, if you don't have all of Office, to go ahead and download it all. Because like I said, it's free. So once you get through working through this workbook chapter, then you're going to want to go into the discussion, and you have to provide some examples of when you'd import a CSV, separated value file, when you would insert a graphic into a worksheet, and when you may link an Excel chart into a PowerPoint slide. So you're going to give an example of all three of those, and then I would like you to reply to at least 2 of your classmates, and each one of those is worth points. You will also be completing the training and testing exercises, and then there's always the optional extra credit, and we do have the quiz. So that is pretty much what we have on tap for this week. If you have not completed the test of everyday reasoning, which is at the very top, I encourage you to complete this. This is worth 20 points extra credit. And I've noticed that some of you have not taken all the quizzes, and some of you have not gotten all of the points on the quizzes. And this is a nice way to give yourself a little extra credit. If you don't have a username and password, if you cannot find them, send me an email because I have a copy of all of them. And my email address is right here. You can simply copy and paste that into Gmail and throw me a message and I will send you your information. Let me know if you have any questions about this week's exercises. Hopefully you will find it fun. I actually enjoy sharing the data. I think it's pretty cool. Hopefully you will too.